Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys the 5 basic brushes you need as a beginner. The 5 must-haves as a beginner. The first is your blending brush, your eyeshadow blending brush. The second is your powder brush. You can't do without these brushes. The third is your blush brush. The fourth is your eyeshadow brush. This is for packing in what I call it, eyeshadow, like pigment and the rest. This is a flat brush. This is from Merak Cosmetics, guys. Yes, so let's head straight into the video. So I'll be showing you guys the 3 foundations I used. This L'Oreal Superstay, I can't remember the third one. So I'm going into don't mind my nails, please. I'm going into the flawless hydrating spray to hydrate my face. I already prepped my face before this video, so I'm going into my primer. I'll put everything I used in the description box below. I'm priming the whole of my face except under my eye area. I don't know if I said it in my other video, but yeah, I avoid under my eye area because my concealers need to blend smoothly. I don't want any crack or nothing. I don't want crease, nothing. So I went into the foundation I mixed earlier using the Merak Cosmetic brush, the flat brush. Yeah, I'm trying to minimize the brushes I'm using in this video just to show you guys that you don't need a lot. You don't need to buy this, buy that. I know as a beginner you struggle to get this right set of brushes. Yeah, so I don't use a brush for my face. I just use a beauty blender like you saw earlier. I'll be using the concealers I brought out before I started my makeup. Actually, I love the feeling, or rather I love how it looks when I bring it out before. This is a pro concealer, guys, before I start using it, if that makes sense. So I went into the cool tan. I think this cool tan, yeah, this cool tan. I brought out cool tan and 2 other shades lighter than cool tan. I used 3 different shades. So excuse me, have you subscribed to my channel? Hello, have you subscribed to my channel, or you want me to tell you to do that? Please, I'm begging. Please subscribe to my channel. Just click on that subscription button below. Just see that place that said subscribe. Just click on it. It does not need anything. You don't need to pay money. Just click. You get subscribed to the Glam family. Help this Glam family grow. Thank you. And do not forget to click on the notification bell below as well to get notified each time I upload a new video. Yes, thank you. And like this video. Like. Don't just watch and leave, just like. Thank you. I hope I'm not talking too much, but yeah. We need this channel to grow. Thank you guys. So I'm still using I'm using the second shade now, because the lightest shade is just for my the inner corner of my eyes. So I like highlighting first before going into my contour stick or whatever I'm using to contour, foundation, concealer. Yes, so just watch this. It's not that hard, right? If you need a personal makeup tutorial class, chat me up on my Instagram page and we will talk about that. Yep, so this is the time to go in with my hydrating spray from Flawless. Yes, and I'm going into the other foundation, the last foundation I said I was not last foundation I said I couldn't remember the name, to contour. Please. So this is me just contouring my face. You need to snatch up the face, guys. Snatch it. So after contouring, what do I do next? I go into my Glamlookbykem Lippy and Lucci. This is a matte lipstick, but let's see how we use it right now, guys. You just have to be smart in this makeup thing. You understand? So I'm going into that as my blush. Let's see how it's coming out. Don't you want to just shop this lippy Ah, God, guys, this lip is the bomb. So I'm blending out my highlights to come like directly close to the blush so it blends together. So you don't know where it starts and where it ends. That's the idea. In makeup, you need to blend. So I'm using Merak Cosmetics setting powder in ginger, mixing it with Sasha. I really love Merak, but I just wanted a ton of the yellow to tone down my color. So I went in with my Milani powder to blend the to set the, what do you call it, my concealer first. Then I went into the Merak and Sasha to, what again, to set or to bake, anyone you call it. But yes, you can see what I'm doing. Don't mind my wig, it was in the way, so I just had to push it. I don't want anything in the way of this makeup. So I'm going into this powder palette from micolor, and I'm using that shade and I'm mixing it to contour. I mixed it because I don't like my contour that dark. I'm a light skin babe. So when you make your contour really dark, I don't know, it's just not, it does not just come out right, if you get what I'm saying. So I'm using the same brush I used for my, okay, I used for what? For my blush. I don't know if I've used blush yet, my powder blush. So I'm using the brush I said it's for eyeshadow. Yes, to contour my nose. I needed something really tiny for my nose. So you can use any, like you can use one brush for like 3 different purposes. If you understand what I'm saying, you don't need the whole brush set if you don't have the money for it. I'm not saying they're not necessary, don't get me wrong, please. They are, but if you can't afford it, please just stick to what you have and achieve a flawless makeup. So yeah, I'm using the concealer to highlight as a base for my eyes, and I'm going into the powder, sorry, the setting powder I used to do a reverse contour to get my face snatched. Yes, guys, you can skip this step if you think it's not necessary, but whatever you do, your makeup will still come out flawless. The most important thing is blending. So I'm going into the eyeshadow brush. This is a Juvia's Place palette. So I'm going to that brush. I'm using that brush to blend my crease. I seen the way it's blending, like it's not leaving any harsh line. If you want to zoom if you can, but it's not leaving any harsh line. Like, this brush is the bomb. I don't even know the brush name, but yeah, I don't know the brand actually, but it's a nice brush. I've had it for years as well. So I'm going into another shade to tone down the crease color a bit. Yeah, so just do it smoothly. It's blending. You can also use your what do you call it, powder palette as a transition color. So I'm using the brush I used for my nose contour, which is for the eyeshadow, and I sprayed it because I am using my highlighter, and I needed it to actually pop a bit. Yeah, so I had to spray it, and I'm going into one of the shades, and I'm using it on my eyelid. Yes, guys, I seen the way it's coming out. It's really nice and subtle. And I went back into the Juvia's place. Sorry, I used the ash to just contour my eyes with the same brush I used for my crease. Guys, can you see the way it's coming out? So I'm going into my blush palette. Yes, I'm still using the same brush I used for my contour. It doesn't stop you from doing that. Like, You can use one brush for three purposes, like I said earlier. So I'm going into my Zaron Cosmetics eyeliner to line my eyes, to define it a bit. And I went into, this is from Maybelline, the Maybelline eye mascara. I love the finishing of that mascara. And I went into my Davis pencil to just fill in my brow. I turned to the heavy brow thingy, so get used to it. So I'm going into the concealer, and I'm using the brush from Merak Cosmetics, the flat brush. This brush is the bomb, guys. You can pause this video and head over to their page and shop this brush if you don't have it yet. So I'm applying my what they call it, Zaron gel liner, and I'm using the back of my brush to apply it under my eye and my tight line, my waterline and my tight line. Yes, I just had to look down. So this is it. I'm using, what am I using here? I'm using a lip balm to moisturize my lips because I want to use a matte lipstick for this look. I'll put the name in the description box, guys. So I'm using Glamlookbykem matte lippy. Yes, that's my brand, guys. That's my brand. And I'm using my brand in Yima and Lucci. So I'm using Yima to line my lips. Have you shopped from us? No, really, have you shopped from us? Please head over to my page now and do so. That's so nice. I'm not doing this because it's my brand. I know it's my brand, but I'm not doing this because it's my brand. When I see something nice, I acknowledge it. So head over to my page and shop from us. We have different lovely shades. If you're a nude person, we got you covered. Glossy, we got you covered. So using the Yima to just line my lips, the outer, the inner, just trying to get every corner. Yes. So after that, I'll go into Lucci. I just didn't want to go into Lucci. Lucci is a very sweet red. Like, the red is everything. But I just wanted to have a bit of Yima around my lip before going into Lucci, because I'm still going to use Lucci all over the Yima, if that makes sense. I just love how it looks on me, or rather the outcome on people that I've used it on. So if you need to try this, go to my page and shop from us. So I'm going into the highlighter, and I'm using the same brush I used for my contour, my blush, and I'm using the same brush to highlight. It does not stop me. Are you seeing how the highlighter is coming out? If you need to spray it, spray it. But guys, I didn't spray it. So I'm using the Zaron Cosmetics eyeliner, what's called mascara. I didn't use the other one because it was too fat. So I'm using my flawless spray to set my face. Everything is ready. We are ready. Where is the party happening at? Guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this video. Let's grow this family. Let's grow my channel, guys. It's our channel. One love. Bye.